Guys, welcome home on the hitch. We are here at the Tampa RV Show 2022, having an absolute blast. So we're going to start by taking a look at this 2022 or 2021 Airstream Classic. What's the model?
It is a 33 FB.
All right, so this is my favorite because I think it's the longest Airstream they have, and the bathroom setup is what I really like. So make sure you stick around for it. Don't go anywhere. Like, subscribe. Home on the hitch. Let's go. Hello. Help.
Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Jason. He's stuck.
Hello.
So the little. Alright. So this is the 2022 33 FB Airstream. And oh my gosh, the things that they have put in for this year's unit is amazing. You've got these solid countertops.
Yep.
And the color scheme is beautiful. They're really taking into consideration this year's interior decorating.
I like the light cabinets,
gold handles, the darker countertops.
Solid surface countertops.
Right. The color scheme in here, I don't know which one it is, but
I don't either, but I like the color of the seats. The
darker color.
Yeah.
With the linen pull shade.
Absolutely, very nice.
So they've really thought of putting some extra details. That you've got coat hooks here by the door. You've got the solid surfaces next to the bed. Right. You have your 12
TV right there.
12-volt nor cold fridge.
Absolutely.
The kitchen has a 3-burner stove with an oven and a convection microwave that has an air fryer in it.
Perfect. What? Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Wine rack.
Yeah. Stainless sink.
Couch. The table makes into a bed. The couch is a bed. This is a power love seat.
Okay. Oh. How swanky is that?
Right. You've got a projector here where your movie screen falls down.
Okay.
Right here, and I'm sure that's on a button.
Yeah.
Has a sound bar with a working office space.
Awesome.
Right here.
Check out the hinges on the.
Oh, right. It has the soft close hinges.
I've got these huge.
I think it's a convection.
Yeah, nice.
Right? This is your
projector and everything, yeah.
area.
Very nice.
You have your control panel that's going to control everything in the unit. So you have this wonderful, stylish bathroom.
Beautiful sink.
It has a large medicine cabinet, and then it has extra storage over the toilet, and it has a warming bar for your towels.
Oh, amazing.
How beautiful is that? It has an actual handle on the toilet to flush the toilet, so that's very homey. And it has this really big shower.
Oh, check that out. Very nice. Yeah, this is the only one I think that we could have just because I really like the fact that the bathroom is in the back there and it's the whole rear end of the coach. So, all right, guys, so let's see if we can find something else here at Airstream to take a quick look at. But this classic, we absolutely love. So the Class B Atlas. Let me see if I can. Widestream, there we go. Check it out.
Wow, this is beautiful. It's got this really supple leather couch that has a Murphy bed that pulls down behind it.
Awesome.
But I really like this Tommy Bahama package that's in here because you've got like the grass mat feel. It's very island.
Yeah. Just so clean. Like the Airstream stuff looks so clean and intentional, you know?
All the space is very well thought out. I mean, where else in a Class B are you going to get such a great kitchen? You have everything that you need right here. It's a very workable space. You've got a little place to hold your wine.
Oh, of course. You got to have that.
Yeah, how beautiful is that?
I believe that's the televator there.
The drawer, it is a televator.
How about those push button? Nice quality doors and hinges.
Yes, it is.
This is really spacious for a Class B.
So you also have your 12-volt Norcold fridge here with your power convection microwave, which is also an air fryer. I really like that. That's probably the new thing for this year is the air fryer included.
Yeah.
You have all this cabinet space for all of your little snacks that you're going to need on the road. And then the wonderful thing about this unit is that it has a full bathroom, a full walk-in bathroom.
Awesome. Let's take a look there. All right. So that is a really nice size shower. The toilet's over here. So yes, this bathroom here in this Class B has more space in it, I bet, than the bathroom in the standard like Airstream trailers, like the split bathroom.
Right. Right. So this is a nice dry bath with a big closet.
Yeah, you got all kinds of storage space here next to it with drawers, and I don't know if I can get back to the point to see, but you've got all kinds of storage there for hanging clothes and all your food, pantry rack, sheets. Oh, and it's got activated lights. So this is a very nice. It's on a Mercedes chassis.
Here is your control panel.
Okay, cool.
It's going to control all of your power systems and your tanks and everything.
Cool.
Inside, and the cab is beautiful also.
Yep, easily accessible from here. Ah, love it. So the manufacturer retail price on the sticker on the sign out front was $288.
Have a little overhead space cabinet.
I believe you could definitely make this work.
This would be ideal for a couple doing all of the parks, all of the national parks.
Oh, absolutely. All right. Comes with the Cummins Onan generator. Let me get around here and be stable. All right. Some storage. A giant back window. I'm sure there's a little hitch behind that cover.
All of your access to your power and your sewer.
Yeah, access to power and sewers right there. Everything is just in such a nice little compartment. Oh, you know what? And I did not realize that either, but that Murphy bed is in a slide. So that's why that's why it seems so roomy in there. Didn't even notice it when we were in there. That it's on a slide, it's got a slide topper as well.
Should I hop in the driver's seat?
Yeah, hop in there. Mel might be able to drive this one.
Y'all ready to go for a ride?
It's going to be a very expensive ride.
Oh yeah, I could definitely drive this.
You think so?
I could.
Yeah.
Certainly.
I don't
Much
know.
better than our travel trailer.
Hard to drive that. There's no steering wheel.
Well, that's true.
Very nice.
Yeah, no, this is beautiful. Seats are extremely comfortable.
Yeah. So I think we could make something like that work.
Hey guys, that's going to do it for the Airstreams here at the 2022 Tampa RV Show. If you like what you see, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can catch more.
All right. Thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Until next time, guys, take care of each other.
Love each other.
Make every moment count.